When it comes to organizing, wire shelves are a game changer. Yet, they often present a small challenge. Items can slip through. The RESILIA Shelf Liner Set swoops in like a superhero. This 5-pack of RESILIA Black Shelf Covers 5-pack transforms your wire shelves. Each liner measures a generous 18 inches by 36 inches. They are made from durable plastic vinyl. Therefore, they create a smooth, flat surface. No more teetering spices or wobbling cans. These liners are perfect for your kitchen pantry. They are also ideal for your garage racks. Furthermore, they are made right here in the USA. This means you can trust their quality and craftsmanship. Consequently, your stored items will be secure. Moreover, these RESILIA Black Shelf Covers 5-pack are incredibly versatile. Think of them as the unsung heroes of organization. They are designed to fit most standard wire shelving. This makes them a universal solution. They are also easy to clean. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth. Spills and messes are no match. Additionally, these liners protect your items. They prevent small things from falling through. Furthermore, they add a touch of neatness. Your shelves will look much tidier. Therefore, you will appreciate the added functionality. In essence, these covers are a small investment. Yet, they yield big organizational rewards. They are truly a problem solver. Finally, consider the long-term benefits. These RESILIA Black Shelf Covers 5-pack are built to last. Their durable construction resists wear and tear. Hence, they offer lasting protection. They are a simple upgrade. However, they make a significant difference. Your storage space becomes more efficient. You will also find items more easily. For instance, small bottles won't tip, nor will thin boxes fall over. Consequently, your overall organization improves. So, if you own wire shelves, these liners are a must-have. They are a practical, affordable solution, and they bring order to your chaos. Pros: works great as shelf cabinet liner. No bunching or sliding around, can be wiped clean, will last a long time, maybe forever. Perfect fit, high quality material, sized perfectly to fit the shelf, perfect for organization. Super nice liner, quality is super nice, fit good and really improve the aesthetic. Cons: not for small, heavy objects, plastic wrapping was dirty, item came rolled up, hard to slide items on surface. A little pricey. Features: 5-pack of shelf liners 18 inches long 36 inches wide, black color, plastic vinyl material. For wire shelving racks, kitchen use, pantry use, garage use, made in USA. This product is a 5-pack of black plastic vinyl shelf liners made in the USA. Each liner is 18 inches long and 36 inches wide. They are designed to cover wire shelving racks and are great for use in your kitchen, pantry, or garage. This RESILIA Shelf Liner Set offers 5 18 by 36 inch black plastic vinyl covers designed for wire shelving in kitchens, pantries, and garages. These American-made liners are praised for their perfect fit, high quality, and ability to stay in place without bunching or sliding, making organization easier and improving the look of your shelves. They are also easy to clean and built to last. However, keep in mind they might be a bit pricey, aren't ideal for small or heavy items, and their surface can make it hard to slide items. Some customers also noted that the plastic wrapping was dirty and the items came rolled up.